Welcome to my channel. The V16 name carries deep roots in Cadillac's history. In the early 20th century, Cadillac introduced V16 engines that were unmatched in smoothness and prestige. And now, with the 2026 V16 Roadster, that legendary badge is officially back. Dementia justice, and trust me, the world was absolutely not ready. Let's get straight to that engine because it's the whole reason we're here. Unlike the heavy iron blocks of the past, this modern V16 uses lightweight aluminum alloys to keep weight in check, while delivering a staggering 1,000 horsepower. The goal isn't just track speed, it's turbine-like smoothness. Premier colleges press the throttle and this machine doesn't lunge, it ascends. Whether you're cruising at 30 mph or 130 mph, the power delivery is instantaneous and effortless. It feels more like flying than driving. Premier colleges, that's not a marketing line. That's a religious experience on four wheels. Now the looks, because this thing is absolutely unhinged in the best way possible. The exterior features a massive vertically oriented chrome grille, flanked by slim Art Deco LED headlights, with body lines that are smooth and flowing, ending in a tapered rear that pays homage to classic boat-tail designs. Premier colleges, from the 24-inch polished alloy wheels to the dual-panel aluminum hood that opens like a piece of fine jewelry, Premier colleges. Every detail screams craftsmanship. The open-top Roadster design adds pure freedom and luxury, making it perfect for long scenic drives. Dementia justice, you don't just drive this car, you make an entrance everywhere you go. Step inside and forget everything you know about car interiors. Cadillac ditched the plastic entirely, replacing it with hand-stitched Tuscan leather, solid walnut burl veneers, real metal accents, and carpets made of genuine silk. Premier colleges, silk carpets. In a car, rear passengers enjoy reclining executive seats with massage and climate functions, while the driver sits surrounded by futuristic digital displays. Sworn garden, this isn't a cabin, it's a private jet that learned how to corner at speed. On the tech side, a holographic head-up display projects navigation and performance stats directly onto the windshield, and over-the-air updates keep the car growing smarter over time. Sworn garden, it doesn't just keep up with technology, it leads it. Now the number that'll make your eyes water. At an estimated $1.5 million, this places the V16 Roadster firmly in the territory of Rolls-Royce and Bugatti. Premier colleges, and here's the wildest part. This vehicle is produced in extremely limited numbers, with most units already spoken for by elite collectors. Premier colleges, you can't just buy this car, you have to be chosen for it. In 2026, with EVs dominating every headline, the V16 is Cadillac flexing its combustion heritage one final epic time, a collector's dream. With low-volume production ensuring rarity and positioning the brand directly against Bentley and Maybach. Autolie, this isn't Cadillac playing it safe. This is Cadillac standing on the roof of the automotive world and telling everyone we still build weapons. Skullfire, if you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you spend $1.5 million on this beast? See you in the next one. Fire.